Hi guys, Dad, how are you? I hope you are all fine and happy. Today I make a gift box. Wow. Please subscribe. We need pink and white paper, marker colors, scissor, glue, pencil and ruler. Let's start. 24 centimeters asterisk 12 centimeters. Mark on 3 cm. Then 6 cm. 6 cm. Then again 6 cm. 3 cm. 3 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 3 centimeters. Match the dots. Mark on 3 centimeters. Then mark on 6 centimeters. Three centimeters, 6 centimeters, 3 centimeters. Cut the cross area. Please comment if you like my video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for supporting me. Watch full video. "25 centimeters asterisk 11 centimeters. Mark on 6 centimeters. 6 cm. Again 6 centimeters. 6 cm. 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Mark 4 times at 6 centimeters. Then match all marks. Please press the like button. Make a butterfly. I hope my video is informative for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share.
Bye-bye!